Ever wished for a personalized news digest delivered straight to your inbox curated just for you? Well, today we are diving into how you can build your very own personalized daily news digest using cutting-edge AI tools. Let's dive in and see how you can build this using powerful LLMs and LangGraph. To get started, we need our key components: LangGraph, an LLM, and an external tool like News API. Together, these tools will fetch, score, and deliver your personalized news directly to you. Here how it works. We will use LangGraph to connect different tasks, starting with fetching news, then scoring it for quality, and finally sending it to your email. LangGraph helps us manage these tasks through three main components: state, nodes, and edges. The state stores the data, nodes process it, and edges guide the flow from one task to another. This structure makes it easy to automate complex workflows. Let's break down the steps. First, we fetch news using the News API. This simple function retrieves article based on your query, like news about the Indian cricket team from past month. Next, we score the news. An LLM evaluates each article based on clarity, credibility, engagement potential, and impact, giving you a ranked list of top quality articles. Finally, we deliver the news. The top articles are formatted into HTML email and sent to you, complete with images, titles, and descriptions. When we put it all together, LangGraph helps us manage the workflow, starting from the LLMs processing the query, fetching news, scoring it, and then sending the final email. The workflow ensures everything runs smoothly and you get the personalized news digest without lifting a finger. Here's a quick example. Let's say you want to know the latest on the Indian cricket team. The agent fetches, scores, and delivers the best articles directly to your inbox. It's that simple. And that's how you can build your own personalized daily news digest using LangGraph and LLMs. In just few steps, you will have a smart, automated way to stay informed with the news that matters most to you. To know more about this, you can check out the blog on our website. Link in description. Tell us in the comments about the other use cases of agents you would want us to explore. Until next time, happy learning.